Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove guests from your ClickUp workspace. It is really simple. First step is go over here to your profile picture, click on it, go on down here to settings, click on it as well. Now in this all setting tab, click on people, and now it will show you all the people in your workspace. In order to filter by guests, you will have to click on this down arrow which says all users and then change it to guests. As you can see now, it will only show you the guest people. So as you can see, this view only means that they are guests. As you can see, are all guests. So in order to remove them, just simply click these three dots and then remove right here. So click on it and then remove right here. As you can see, these guests will disappear. As you can see, he has been removed from your workspace. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.